Yeah, I would measure to it and then I'll shrink the measurement a little.
56.5. We don't have to do this today if we're working on the car.
That's what I was going to do. Careful.
Fucker. We're putting a spoiler on the back of the truck. So, we want the wing to be removable because it's still a truck, it still has a functional tailgate, and we still use it. So, I wanted it to be able to come off. I definitely did not want to drill or weld onto the original tailgate because, well, it's the original tailgate and I don't want to do that. So, we're using the tailgate spacers, I guess you could call them, that we needed to make when we widened the bed. And we're using a piece of 2x1, it looks like, square tubing. And it's going to mount here. It's going to be welded. We're going to get a piece of aluminum that we had left over from when we did the car spoiler. So that's the plan. That's the plan. It's going to be removable. I don't know. Hopefully it's pretty cool looking. Guess we'll find out.
Should be highly aerodynamic.
I don't know how aerodynamic we can be when, you know, big gaping hole. Those that might be curious, we actually do have a welding table, so why he's laying on the floor is beyond me, but... well, works. Hopefully it can withstand whatever pressure it's supposed to theoretically get. And there we have a 10-inch spoiler on the back of the F100. Because, you know, all the Aero on a box. But I can now say the truck has Ring Brothers on it. They are really nice little hinges, aren't they?
They are.
So yeah, we're gonna give this a shot. You know, we know a lot of truck guys that run some Aero on the back of their truck. We are within SCCA specs, so I don't anger Lance in the CAM-T class.
Yeah, that'd be the most effective, but it looks cool.
Yeah, I mean, we don't know.
You gotta go for stop points.
Like, that's what we're just... We had a little bit of extra aluminum when Mike did his spoiler, and we're just gonna give it a shot, so, yeah. But because it's at a bit of a, I don't know, more steep angle than Mike's spoiler.
Well, it's quite a bit taller than mine.
Yeah, taller and steeper of an angle than yours, too. We're gonna have to put some down downward support. So that's what we're going to work on today.
Patrick Sullivan, and that is a clean run. And that is his fastest run by about 1.7 seconds, so good job. Now we move over to the cams. Oh no, carrying a deep end half, I've been advised. So Tom's going to have to make either look to his previous runs, but based on what I see, we're going to keep on rolling.
So we're gearing up to paint the frame and axles on the Scout, but that's not what I'm going to talk about. What did I think of the spoiler? So I obviously noticed it on the highway, a lot more drag, I guess you would say, in the back of the truck at highway speeds. On the track, I have no idea. We did do a lot of suspension tuning a couple weeks ago, so I don't know if that attributed to better handling or if it was the spoiler or if it was both. I'm not sure. Everybody agreed that it looks really cool, so style points, I guess, but I don't know. I guess we'll just have to continue running it and testing it. Mike wants to change the angle on it. And yeah, so it looks pretty rad. I hope it does help with performance, but whatever. It was a fun little project that we knocked out in a couple weeks while we were waiting for the frame to come back from the, not powder coater, the sandblaster. So,
They are powder coaters too.
I guess technically they are powder coaters, but that's besides the point. So, yeah, that's it for this episode. Next episode, we're going to get back into Scout stuff. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for following along, guys.